Hi, I'm Jennifer and welcome to my kitchen. I have just loaded my dishwasher up and there's some pretty yucky glasses in here. My daughter likes chocolate milk and you can see it's kind of yucky in there. Plates and stuff like that. But I have received Cascade with the power of Clorox to try. So I'm going to throw it in there. We're going to see what it does. I'm going to start it up. And then we'll come back when it's done and see what happens. See you in a minute. So we're back and we're going to check it out. And then the cup, all the chocolate is gone. Awesome. Let's check out a bowl here. It looks nice and shiny. Everything's fogging up though from the heat in here. So I would definitely suggest Cascade with Clorox. I've always used an off-brand, but I'm definitely going to start buying this. So good job, Cascade. See you later.